Shout out to everyone. This is Mix D. Magandang hapon. So we are live broadcast sa ating Bigo Live app and also sa YouTube channel natin, guys. So if you want to check it out, ayan, you're very welcome to check my YouTube channel. It's Mix Derulo, guys. All right, okay. Let's do something bago naman, bago daw. Ayan, perfect acoustic cover song for you live. Ayan. Ito, napaka malapit na kantang to para sa akin. Yung perfect. Lagi kami naaalala pag kinakanta ko to, guys. By Ed Sheeran, perfect acoustic cover song. I found the love for me. No, darling, just dive right there and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you all this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. And baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams, I hope that someday I sure will. And I found love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are so kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling, you look perfect tonight. Whoa, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight. Woo! Nice one. It's a very, very nice song. Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Ayan, isa na namang acoustic cover song for you. Live yan, guys, no? So we're doing acoustic cover songs live. Walang putol, walang edit